Coming down.
Kamusta mga kaibigan? Isang classic na laban na naman ng The Magician ang panonoorin natin. Espesyal na event ang nilaruan ni Efren dito mga idol. Dahil ang event na ito ay ginawa mismo para parangalan ang nag-iisang The Magician. Ito ang 2018 Efren Reyes Tour na ginanap sa Texas, USA. At ang mananalo sa event na ito ay mag-uuwi ng $15,000. Ang makakalaban ni Efren dito ay si CJ Wiley, ang tinuguriang The Money Game King. Hindi din biro ang legendary pool star na ito mga idol, dahil bukod sa mga money game ay marami na rin siyang naiuwing mga titulo bilang professional player, at isa dyan ng pangunahan niya ang Team America sa pagkapanalo sa Mosconi Cup. Pero ang tanong, kakayanin kaya niya ang pressure pag nakatapat na niya ang nag-iisang The Magician? Ang the greatest of all time, Efren Bata Reyes? Yan ang malalaman natin. Tsak na magiging mainit ang laban na ito mga idol. Simulan na natin to. Ito ang 2018 Efren Reyes Retirement Tour, Reyes vs Wiley. 10 ball race to 15. Rock 1, unang Sargon The Magician. Ang gandang sargo, pasok ang dalawang bola. Tagong-tago ang uno, kaya nag-push lang si Efren sa dos. Kaso, hindi tinira ni Wiley. Sablay sa bank shot si Efren. Mautak din talaga tong si Wiley mga idol. Ball in hand na ang kano. Sa larong ito pala ay 64 years old si Efren. Si CJ Wiley naman ay 54 years old. Ang gandang safety ni Efren sa 7. Ayun na, open table na to para kay Efren. Nakuha ni Efren ang first rack. Rack 2, break ulit ni Efren. Dry break siya dito. Pagkakataon na ni Wiley tumabla. Dagdag trivia pala mga idol, si Wiley ay isa ding legend sa bilyar. Siya ang naging team captain ng Team USA sa ginanap na Mosconi Cup noong 2012 at sila ang nag-champion doon. Ang gandang bank shot sa 7 nun. Nakuha ni Wiley ang rack na ito. Rack 3, unang break ni Wiley sa laro. Walang hulog. Tingnan natin ang diskarte ni Efren dito. Ang gandang tago ni Wiley sa 3. Ang event pala na ito ay kasabay din ng Efren Reyes Farewell Tour na ginanap naman sa Europa, mga idol. Talagang buong mundo ang nagbibigay pugay sa nag-iisang The Magician. Kay Efren ng rack 3. Rekta tayo sa rack 11. Tablang laban sa score na 5-5. Walang hulog sa break ni Efren.
You could have took off work today. Thanks, David. Appreciate it, buddy. Thank you, Stacy. Oh.
Swabing tago sa uno ni Efren dun.
Well, he clipped it. We're not going to call it a hit. It's a clip. Is that my hat? Was on another table. Tables over doing challenge match. What a
Grabing bank shot sa uno ni Efren. Magic bank shot na naman sa 2. Sunod-sunod na ang pinapakita ni Efren sa rack na ito ah.
Oh, it's gonna be good. It's gonna leave it tough.
Ayun lang, na-budget ang The Magician dun.
It's good, man. If he misses a kick, then chances are it's gonna right speed leave them in a bad position. Incredible. Thanks. Score is 5-5 in a race to 15.
Open table na to para kay Efren.
Oh my God. Very, very well. Three rails. Good speed. Good speed. Wow. Welcome, Frank. Sharing the way. We're almost at 1,000. Ball in hand for CJ Wiley, is it? Couldn't see Efren. This is for a chance for CJ to go up 6-5.
That's your phone?
All right. Not sure what happened. I turned my way. Okay. Looked like. Yeah, it looks like Efren's gonna go up 6-5 over CJ.
Kay Efren ang rack 11. Rack 12, break ni Efren.
No, it's 9.
Oh, it was at 82.
Hulog ang 8 sa corner pocket. Pagkakataon na ni Wiley tumabla, tignan natin ang diskarte niya.
Kevin. Kevin Gumar. I'm trying to be quiet, man.
Andyan pa ba kayo mga idol? Kung andyan pa kayo gusto ko lang malaman nyo na may bago tayong channel. Lakad TV ang pangalan nito. Dagdag kaalaman at mga misteryosong pangyayari ang content natin doon. Huwag nyo sanang kalimutang mag-subscribe. Pakiclick nyo lang yung kulay blue na link sa comment section para mapunta kayo sa channel mga idol at ma-check nyo ang mga video natin sa Lakad TV. Maraming salamat. Nakatabla na si Wiley, di kita ng laban na ito.
We're all tied up, 6-6.
Rack 13, Sargo ng Kano. Walang hulog. Tignan natin kung lalamang ng The Magician.
You didn't do it? When's your next open? Nice shot. He's hooked. Does he? I think so. Shot. Huh? Oh, good. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, what a shot.
Ang ganda ng tago ni Wiley sa 4.
Oh yeah. You can put this board behind you too if you want to. That way nobody else can. Alright guys, keep sharing. Try to get over 1,000. Oh, another good safety by CJ. Oh wow.
Swabing tira ni Efren, position para sa 5.
He did. Still got a great stroke, man.
Oh, let's go, CJ. I put one dead game right now.
CJ talked about board in the milk. I said that board in the milk.
Get the hair sticking out of the hat like
Sablay sa 5 si Wiley. Parehas nagka-error ng dalawa sa rack na ito.
Yeah, CJ on CJ's Billard. It was a great pool room. Been shut down for. Come on, guys, keep sharing. We're almost at 1,000 views.
Kay Efren ang rack 13.
Efren Beta Reyes takes the lead, 7-6.
Diretso tayo sa rack 23. Lamang si Efren, 12-10 ang score.
Very pleasure having you. Have a great night, man.
Dry break siya dito. Abangan natin kung malinis ni CJ ang lamesa.
Wow, nice stroke. Nice stroke. Get back in this. Just gonna kill the cue ball here and take the long shot on the 6. Kill it. Thanks everybody for tuning in. Great shot, CJ.
Linis ang lamesa, 12-11 ang score. Punta tayo sa rack 25. Lamang si Efren ang dalawa.
Alright guys, last chance to get your raffle ticket.
Top Arlington. He's watching it on the way. Right.
First drink, man. See, you came sober. Just right.
Wow. Well, we need a new rack guy. Mike can't even. He can't even. Take care, man. Keep on man out of trouble.
Makulit ang uno para sa dalawa.
Nice shot.
Sakto ang posisyon ni Efren para sa 2. Tignan natin kung makahabol pa si Wiley.
Like he might be. Oh, there's 4 wins. Didn't even know it went by. We gotta play a combo here. 6 ball got away from him a little bit. Oh, he overcut it. So way to miss it. If you're gonna miss it, overcut it. You are. You're making some people can hear you.
Safety play ni Efren sa 6.
Did he get there? No. Nice shot. Very nice shot. Right? And he's right back where he started from, but there might be a little window. Not much. Looks like it's not much. That stroke's still so good. He might have hit that. No, he's good. Yeah. Get the silver trophy or something. Have that kind of stuff on the table. Puts Efren on the hill.
Kay Efren ang rack na ito. Rack 26, posibleng huling rack ng laban.
He broke.
Hulog ang 4 sa corner pocket. Mukhang malilinis na Efren ang rack na ito ah.
This might be the end for CJ. Watching the best player of all time. He's gonna end this with a break and run.
YouTube. No, just kidding.
Efren is that. All you gotta do is make this cut on the 8. Perfect on the 9. Easy pleasy. It's 10 for the win.
Nakakuha ni Efren ng laban. Wala pa rin talagang kupas ang The Magician.
Alright. Y'all can tell how much noise they made in here.
Bullshit. Hey, I take my $10 now, sir.
CJ played a great